Hey everyone, it's Brian from Wilco, and today we're doing a whole lamb leg. We're going to roast it on the Traeger, 2 hours of smoke, 4 hours of cooking, so most of the day, and we'll show you the process of doing the rub, doing the spritz, wrapping it up, the whole thing. It'll be a lot of fun and it'll taste great. I hope you try one.
So here's our setup today. We've got a whole leg of lamb. We are going to do some spritzing or spraying of the meat through the cook to keep it moist and get a nice bark on it. This is a mixture of apple cider vinegar, truff hot sauce, secret ingredient, you got to try that, and a few other ingredients as well. We'll do a rub with some spices. We'll use cumin, mesquite grill rub. We'll also use some chipotle pepper and some oregano leaf, organic oregano leaf, some ground mustard, and some pink salt, and some ground fennel. The last thing we'll do in the rub is we'll zest a lemon and use that on the top also. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without my Wilco coffee mug. And then we'll get started. Again, the grill is nice and clean. Now what we're gonna do actually is, instead of a hard smoke, we're gonna use Traeger's applewood pellets for today's cook. And we're gonna go to 185 just to get things started. Press ignite, and then we'll hear the grill starting up.